What's going on, guys? Quick update to the 2013 Camry transmission shudder. I just got my vehicle serviced, picking it up now from Toyota. All the work was done under warranty. Remember, you have till 150,000 miles and till June 5th of this year to get this repair done. Here's my copy of the paperwork. It's all done under warranty. Dealer gave me a loaner car as well while it was getting repaired. They had to keep it for an extra couple days because of they damaged the ABS sensors. But here it is. I'm gonna go drive it, see if the shudder is gone. Let's go ahead and see. Okay guys, a quick update. So the transmission shudder in my 2013 Camry is completely gone. They took care of it. The dealer replaced the torque converter and I haven't had the issue since. On my previous video, a lot of you guys commented that the dealer was not approving the repair. Remember, you can get it repaired as long as you have less than 150,000 miles and you have until June 5th of 2021. So just a couple months left. Now's your chance. If you call your dealer and they say that it's not eligible, have them talk to someone else, talk to a service manager, have them check on that, or go to a different dealer, because that has been extended and I just got it replaced and didn't have to pay anything for that. My Camry had 123,000 miles and it was a 2013. And I just got it fixed first week of February. So everything was covered under warranty and no issues since. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I appreciate it. Please consider subscribing.